or not. This is not a law made by Quran. Originally, this law of blasphemy, the death punishment for blasphemy of Lord and prophets, this was first of all revealed in Bible. Let me give you the real history of this law. The first of all, this is the law given by Bible, Holy Bible, the Old Testament. I quote you, Leviticus, I'm quoting the Bible, Old Testament, book 24, chapter, verse 13 to 16. Holy Bible says, and the Lord spake unto Moses, saying, he that blasphemeth the name of the Lord, he shall surely be put to death. These are the words of Holy Bible.